Yesterday in Vancouver, it was very sunny. I didn't want to make a video yesterday. Today it's about noon and I was sitting in the coffee shop downloading music for these videos. Looked up and saw it was snowing quite heavily, which it doesn't do very often in Vancouver. So I decided to go to the closest park, which we went to the other day. So the pathways have almost no footprints on them. Went to this lake the other day and it was only half frozen and there were a lot of ducks and birds on it. As soon as I finished this clip, my battery died. I moved to a spot behind some trees. Hopefully they'll shelter me from the wind. It's cold, it's windy, it's wet with that snow. I'm gonna pop out of the truck every minute or two now and then. Capture just a few scenes at a time. Keeps snowing, maybe this tree will be covered in snow before the day's done. Even behind the trees, the wind is blowing the snow against the windows on the side of the bus. Well, I don't want to go out there. I'm just kidding. I don't mind it out here when it's not windy, but it is windy. Oh, look how deep that was. I just stepped in the snow about way up over my shoes. I'm just wearing like essentially running shoes because I've only got clothes that I bought for a life of being in the summer. Now, if you want to know what the wind looks like, look at this tree blowing here. Hopefully you can see that blowing around in the wind. Anyway, I need to go to the washroom. And I wasn't far away, but I drove here because I don't want to walk around any more than I have to. And this, if you can hear the heat, is a heater. Out we go. Back out into the cold. See? That's the wind that I'm talking about. I don't like the wind, but I found somebody who does. Probably complaining there's too little wind. I thought I'd end this with the star of our previous video. Check out my other video called The Lonely Tree.